So it's a nasty January snow day here at the window cleaning store. Not too busy today, so it's a perfect opportunity to make a video. Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. I hope you all have a great 2026 in your cleaning business. Now, if you've been a window cleaner for the last couple of years or more, you're probably familiar with this very combination of a Technopad swivel holder and a walnut pad. You can also put other kind of pads on here, microfiber pads, doodle bug pads, etc. This is great for cleaning stubborn debris, especially on large ground floor commercial windows such as storefronts and other kind of commercial buildings. If you got some stubborn debris high up, no problem. You can stick this on an extension pole, clean those extra dirty windows high up as well. Now that's all fine and dandy, but I thought for 2026 I'd come up with a product that's more ideal for smaller windows, especially like residential windows like what I got behind me here. So for typical dirt on a residential window of this size or even smaller, you might be fine using the Technopad holder with the walnut pad because you're just trying to give it a little bit more of an aggressive scrub as opposed to just your regular strip washer. But if you got a window that's really dirty, it's got hard water stains and whatnot, you're not going to get a nice, good pressure, even pressure all the way on the glass on a pad holder like that. I mean, you can cut this down a little bit more to size. That'll help a little bit. But what we've come up with for 2026 is that we're incorporating the 3M hand pad holder. This is 3M, so it's very good quality. And you can have your walnut pad attached to there. That way, the smaller footprint on the glass allows you to put more pressure. Very good for cleaning off hard water stains. Now, I know a lot of guys, they say, okay, the walnut pads are fine, but I much prefer steel wool. So, usually what they'll do is they'll go with the T-bar scrubber first, and then they'll come back with a steel wool pad, and then they'll go like this and get it with that. Well, you can also attach steel wool pads, just, spread them apart, and then just apply that onto the pad holder, and there you go. You got nice even pressure. If you need to get into an edge a little bit deeper, you can just kind of rock this into the edge, get it where it's very stubborn debris. Now this test window here, I've been spraying with hard water the last few weeks, trying to get a buildup of hard water, because in a few weeks from now, I'm going to be making a video on how to remove hard water stains. We're going to feature a couple of products. So if you're not subscribed now, you might want to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll get a notification when that video goes up. But in the meantime, you can go online and buy the 3M pad holder. You can either buy it on its own, or we have a little combo deal there where you get the pad holder as well as a couple of walnut pads. Of course, you can go pick up some more extra pads anytime you want. We got lots of those. And for fans of the Quad Zero steel wool, of course, we have packs of those as well. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. And like I said in the beginning, I hope you all have a great 2026. Take care. Bye for now.